Mic check. I don't know what's going on here. We got like a gecko eating a gecko, or geckos are getting ready to make love. I don't know what's going on. This is crazy. The nature down here in Florida. And then look at this. Just a couple steps away, we got a Cuban tree frog. Look at him. Cuban tree frog, chilling. And then right here, there was a little small three-horned owl, but he flew off when I came outside. So we got the tree frog. And then we got, looks like geckos eating geckos, or, man, I don't know what they're doing. All right, man. Bushwick Fishing Charters. I'm signing out.